So we're going to open the Lego Spike Prime box. Using Lego in a classroom is always going to be a bit chaotic, but with this new Spike set, Lego have attempted to try and make it easier to keep all the components together. The colours this time are very bright and clear and simple, and have also provided a sheet of stickers so that you can label the trays with the appropriate colours. Each component of the tray has a different sticker, and the last one, which has all the interesting decorative bits, has its own little label. Should help keep the bricks in the right places. They've also provided label stickers for the hub and the special Lego blocks. And we've these pre-numbered with just a number 1, so you can label all these up with the label provided for the box. We're going to look at Spike Essential today. Once you've started the app, click on the Spike Essential button. And I would strongly recommend that on first use, you try the start to get used to the special blocks in this Lego set. Firstly, we're going to look at the motor. The instructions are very clear and self-explanatory. The next thing we're going to want to do is connect the hub. If this is the first time you've connected, you'll be asked to turn on Bluetooth if it's not on. And it wants to access the device's location. I presume this is to allow communication between the hub and your Chromebook. You then press the button on the top of the hub. And the hub should come up with some kind of a name on it. Click Connect.
This car is a very simple build. Click Units, go to Ventures, and choose Code Car. So each of the units starts with a little cartoon, introduces the story. I'm going to skip through the build. We will follow all the instructions. In this case there are 17. And now we need to make a program that lights the little lights. So this is the main build screen. In this case our hub is connected. You can see that by the fact that it has a little blue light. You can fold up the annotation in the middle to give you a bit more workspace. In this case, I just need to drag both the yellow and the purple box into the workspace. So there's the yellow block, the purple block, and the white block. All of this is guided by the system itself. Hopefully if I'm quick and press the play button, I'll be able to flip over the video and you'll see the light now. You can see the lights have lit up on the front of the car.